ready to skyrocket your average order value and delight your customers with irresistible deals. Today, we're diving deep into how to create powerful product combos in your Shopify store. First things first, we need to get into your Shopify admin. Navigate to the products section in the left-hand menu. This is where all your magic happens. Now, to enable product bundling, we'll need to leverage the power of Shopify's built-in features. Head over to Online Store, then click on Themes. We're going to access the theme code. Click on Actions next to your current theme, and then select Edit Code. Inside the theme code, locate the Sections folder. We're looking for a file called header.liquid. Click on it to open it. Within the header.liquid file, find the closing less than head tag towards the very bottom. It's crucial to get this spot right. Right before that closing less than head tag, you'll carefully paste a specific piece of code. This code is what enables the bundling functionality. Don't worry, a link to this code snippet is in the description below. Once that's saved, head back to your products section. Now, let's create a new product that will represent your bundle. Give your bundle a catchy title, like Summer Essentials Bundle or Gamer's Dream Pack. Write a compelling description detailing what's included and the amazing value customers are getting. Next, in the pricing section, set the price for your bundle. This is where you'll offer that attractive discount compared to buying the items individually. Crucially, under inventory, make sure you have track quantity enabled. This helps you manage your stock effectively for each individual item within the bundle. Now, for the magic ingredient linking your individual products, scroll down to the product organization section. Here, you'll see an option to link products to this bundle. Click to add products. A search bar will appear. Start typing the names of the individual products you want to include in your bundle. Select them from the results. Add all the related items that make your bundle a no-brainer. You can add as many as you like. And there you have it. Save your bundle product and head over to your online store to see your new irresistible product combo live and ready to sell. This simple yet powerful strategy will not only boost your average order value but also provide your customers with a fantastic shopping experience. Start bundling today and watch your sales soar.